Hello everyone, it's Livia here, and I know you already know what I'm doing here. It was very messy because this is the room that we actually put most boxes when we moved into this new flat. So yeah, I tried to take things out and it was very hard to put everything back into place because obviously when you pack things, you forget where everything is, although I labeled all the boxes. But yeah, I was trying to figure out and trying to set up my new art studio. It was very overwhelming, but I actually had a bit of fun as well. And I decided to record everything so you guys can see. And I was shocked with the amount of stuff I had, and I had to put in boxes. There's so many boxes. It's like, how did I actually end up with so much stuff in 3 years since I moved to London? It's insane. So I didn't actually film myself putting this table together because literally it's just two supports from IKEA and an IKEA kitchen worktop. I will put the link down below so you guys can see the size I bought and actually with the names because I cannot pronounce those. But it was very easy and the table is actually very long, which I was looking forward to have one like this because then you can have like different things happening at the same time, which I always do. Like I'm painting watercolor and then I want to take pictures at the same time and then check my computer for something or even use my light table all at the same time. So having all this space, it's making my life much easier now. Okay, so now let's tackle the second part. It's the right side of the table on top of my Alex drawers that I will record a video organizing all of that, because until today I haven't done anything, and it's been a while that I actually organized the way it is now. More things to organize. My acrylic drawers are all from Muji. I love Muji, and these acrylic drawers are the best thing ever because you can see everything and it tidies up everything and it looks really pretty. These are all my foil for my mink. So just put it on the side. I don't want to deal with this right now, to be honest. So basically, the flat came with this dressing furniture, and obviously we don't need it for clothes, so we're gonna use it to put office stuff, since I have loads of stationery stuff, my husband as well, and I'm planning to put I have 3 printers, to put 2 of them here. I don't know if it's gonna fit because I haven't measured, but I hope it does. So I'm gonna clean a little bit and try to fix that up now. This is basically all my stuff that was in my first drawer, in my, not first, the biggest drawer in my make desk in the other flat. So yeah, it's all here, but that's so overwhelming at the moment that I might just record another video for this. So let's clean this bit first. It's not dirty, I've cleaned it before, but why not? Still have left, and I don't really have a place. I do have a place for papers and stuff in my new Alex drawers, but the planners themselves, I don't know if I just buy something like the book stand or something, I don't know the name, to put the planners that I'm actually using at the moment on the side there. But I just think the table is like, it's such a good size, but I don't want it to be overwhelming, like too much stuff. Or I just put them on top of the Alex drawers, which probably will be the best idea, at least for now, because I'm gonna sit down and do work if I have all of this here. These are basically papers for printing stickers and stuff for the shop. And this box will be sorted out later. There's nothing very urgent there, just extras. One few bits. These are my papers, watercolor papers and sketch paper that I can just put in the drawer for now, and then I can proper organize later. These are my husband's stuff. We don't know where I'm gonna put that yet. But yeah, and I still have this Muji drawers that at the moment I think they're too heavy to put on top of the Alex drawers there, so I probably will leave them on the floor because I have 3, so just stack them for now and we'll see. So in the end, I just decided to put all my planners and other bits on top of the Alex drawers, and they are still there, same way. So basically everything that I don't want to deal with right now, I'm just putting in the drawers and I'll sort that out later. Because there's so much left that I don't really know. So this is one of the Muji drawers that I actually bought for the kitchen. So I don't even know if I'm gonna keep this here, but for now I'm just gonna put it on the floor because I think it's gonna be too heavy to put on top there. I have these frames from IKEA as well that I want to paint something to put on the wall. And now I'm gonna get these drawers and put on top of those ones. And this box does not belong here. All this stuff is from my bedroom, so I'll take it away. So this is how it's looking at the moment. I think it's really good for now. I don't know how well it's gonna function for me, but yeah. I added this little vase that's beautiful, that one of my best friends, she actually gave it to me and she made it herself. It's a 3D printing vase. It's really cool. And I love yellow. Yeah, I think it looks cool with that. These fake leaves are from IKEA. I bought them to take some pictures, to have something else to put together. But anyway, I think it's a good ornament for now. And yeah, that's it for now. Okay, I just wanted to show a quick update on what I achieved in, I don't know, it took me 2 hours, I think. It is almost 9 o'clock, so the lighting is not the best one. Just here where I actually film stuff, well, what I will film because I haven't yet. Some stuff on the floor. We'll tackle this later, another day definitely. My light table is still on the floor for now, but I will probably put it on the desk when I manage to arrange this. I still have one printer in the box. This box is full of envelopes for stationery for the shop. So yeah, I'll do something nice and get rid of this box. And this is quite messy, but I will figure it out. I still need to figure out the tripod for the table, and then I'll show you, not the end result because it's not the end, there's like a lot I want to do on this wall as well, but yeah, how it is now. And I think I'm happy for now. At least I can work and create with what I have here. What do you guys think? Okay, I completely forgot to record an outro, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and obviously I'll post more stuff when there's an update. And please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.